Tell you what, it's something most people have done. I work out, it's usually Fila and Russell Athletic, love it. Oh no, I've got to clean before I start and then clean when you end. Do we make it from scratch? Oh yeah. Out of a packet? Oh, double yeah.
It's give and take, it's give and take. Rock the room, give me a break.
On that note, I'm going to talk about love.
You got it all, you got it all.
Hi, welcome to Indira's World, and guess what? The sun is shining. Am I excited? Very excited. Okay, now, in case you've missed my question and answers the other day, don't forget to check it out because this is going to be a vital part of this show. Now, today we're going to do cooking. Tuesday was Shrove Tuesday, but it was also Valentine's weekend, last weekend. So when you're wedged between Pancake Day and Valentine's Day, it's all about pancakes, strawberries, chocolates, etc. But do you actually think Pancake Day is just Shrove Tuesday, Pancake Tuesday, or is it every single day of the week? Well, what I did is I was left with a whole load of pancake batter, well, crepes. So I decided that I was going to make little, what can I call them? Pancake parcels. Can't go wrong with that. And leftover pancakes. So let's get on with it. So here we have my pancake or crepe batter made into thin crepes. And Indira's World being about trying to keep lean, I've bought some very lean ham and 30% lower fat cheese. That's as good as it could get. And I'm going to be filling these crepes up with that. So I'm very quickly going to chop that up. That's going in there. You can stylize this with some sauces, etc., etc., creamy sauces. But I have decided to try and keep it, again, as low as I can. My crepes were made with just a tablespoon of olive oil for the whole lot, and trust me, there was a lot. Yeah, I'm just lightly grease that, pop that in. So how easy was this, eh? Now I've just put the griller on, and it should be about 10 minutes for the cheese to grill. Of course, if you want it darker, it's up to you, but there you go. I'm just going to pop it in the griller for 10 minutes. Well, that was now going to grill away. Now, talking about savory fillings, I've used various ones to show you what you can get out of this. Now, I've made some chicken in a satay sauce, and which I've kind of minced up. That kind of turned out like this. You pan fry it when it's ready. And that's chicken in satay sauce. I'm going to show you a few. Now, this I did salmon in soy sauce and honey and ginger. Minced that up as well and pan fried it once it was ready. Finally, I had some whole load of vegetables lying in the fridge: peppers, celery, carrots, asparagus. I put that together, stir fried with a little turmeric and a little bite with chili powder, and there we had it. Again, pan fried. And these are my three savories. I don't know about you, but I find cooking extremely therapeutic, and whenever I'm in the mood to sort of chill out, I start cooking, and sometimes I get slightly carried away, as you may have guessed. I love looking after my horses, mucking out, those sort of things. I mean, this is a time when it's difficult, everyone's in lockdown, hopefully not for long, but you can always find things that make you happy. I've realized one thing, that the easiest thing for me to do now is to be grateful for everything that's coming my way, and I hope all of you will too. On that note, I'm going to talk about love. Well, we've done the savory bit. Now, there's nothing better than a little bit of sweet. And of course, as I said, Valentine's Day is all about hearts. So I'm chopping up some strawberries here. It's coming up to that time of the year. You get yummy strawberries, not to forget Wimbledon. with my leftover crepe batter, stroke pancake batter, I have made a little Valentine heart. Sad, I know, but true. And without breaking it, hopefully, get it on there. I'm going to chuck these on. You know, as I keep mentioning, it's all about healthy recipes, quick recipes. I find now, lately I've been really busy with my horses and my show and my music, a lot of songwriting, as this is a time when people are very reflective. And so you tend to be, I find, I'm very rushed at the end of the day. And I've been trying to find quick, simple recipes, and it's like this, you know, the leftover pancake batter, stuffing it with whatever and making the dish look different. It doesn't mean it's a great dish, like new dish. It's just an adaptation of something. And it also makes it a bit of fun because I've got here, I've made a little bit of vanilla cream. It's just to sweeten it. It's sugar, vanilla essence, and a wee bit of single cream. This is a bit of an indulgence, I get it, but then it is a Valentine indulgence. On that, I'm gonna, oh, you know what? I'm gonna mix that up and make it look a bit twirly. So there you have it, a very romantic little crepe. And also you use up your strawberries. I used about 6 of them in case you're left with a bit. Talking of hearts, I also made a cake with my leftover batter. That's another story. I found myself this little fun thing here, and I thought, hey, why not? If it works, I'm going to try it. So this is just to make my husband laugh today and feel a little bit special, as he is working from home, as is most of the people at the moment. There's me little heart, complete with chocolate, strawberries, and cream. It doesn't get any better. And don't forget, pancake. Now, I did get left with a whole load of pancake batter on Shrove Tuesday. And I got very adventurous, and I took my pancake batter, added chopped apples to it, and this is what I got. Now, I did like it very much, so I decided that I was going to make it for the show, another dessert on the show. So now I'm going to get myself a knife, and I'm going to cut into it. And then you're all going to watch me enjoy it. As you can see, how good does that look? How good does that taste? Well, I've given you a lot of food for thought, haven't I? So let's round off with having a look at what I have done in the oven. All that cheese and ham. Well, there you have it, my ham and cheese. Everyone's going to be very excited about dinner tonight for sure. Don't forget, I'm on IndiraasWorld for you. It may be cookery, it may be lifestyle, it may be an agony aunt, who knows? Any surprise for you next time, but I'll see you next time anyway. Don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this. So look what's come out of my pancake day. You have an apple cake, and you have salmon with honey, ginger, and soy sauce. You just poach it and stick it in. Stir-fried vegetables, chicken in satay sauce, ham and cheese, and of course the mushy love heart. And you know what, you can just experiment with whatever you want, and that's half the fun. Don't forget, keep happy, keep well, and keep busy. So I'll see you next time. Till then.
You got it all.